Abstract and colorful wall art is more than decoration placed on a surface. It is a living expression of imagination, emotion, and creative freedom that transforms empty spaces into vibrant visual stories. Imagine beginning a YouTube video with a quiet shot of a plain wall, completely blank and silent, representing potential and possibility. The narrator softly asks a simple question that immediately captures curiosity. What if a wall could speak through color? What if the empty spaces around us could reflect creativity, mood, and imagination without saying a single word? This is where the story of abstract and colorful wall art begins. Abstract art does not attempt to copy the world exactly as we see it. Instead, it explores the deeper emotional language of shapes, colors, lines, textures, and movement. When these elements come together thoughtfully, they can transform a simple wall into a powerful artistic experience that changes how we feel inside a room. Abstract wall art invites viewers to pause, observe, and interpret the artwork in their own personal way, making every piece unique not only in its creation, but also in how it is experienced. Imagine a creator standing in a quiet studio with a blank canvas leaning against the wall. The camera slowly focuses on the empty canvas, and the narrator explains that every great artwork begins with uncertainty. At this moment, nothing exists except potential. The artist selects a color, perhaps a bright and energetic shade of yellow. The first brushstroke spreads across the canvas, bold and confident. Immediately, the blank surface begins to change. Then another color appears, maybe deep blue, creating contrast and visual tension. The colors begin to interact, and slowly shapes start to appear without any strict plan. This process is one of the most fascinating aspects of abstract art. The painting evolves as it is created. The artist responds to the canvas in real time, allowing instinct and emotion to guide the next movement. This sense of exploration makes abstract art feel alive. Viewers watching the process on a YouTube video experience the same sense of curiosity, wondering how the artwork will develop as each layer of color builds upon the previous one. Color plays a powerful role in abstract wall art because color itself carries emotion. Bright, warm colors such as red, orange, and yellow can fill a space with energy, passion, and excitement. Cooler tones like blue, turquoise, and soft green can create calmness and serenity, making a room feel peaceful and balanced. When artists combine these colors in bold and unexpected ways, they create compositions that capture attention immediately. A vibrant splash of color in the center of a canvas may draw the eye instantly, while softer shades surrounding it create harmony and visual flow. Abstract artists think of color as a kind of visual music. Just as musicians arrange notes to create rhythm and melody, painters arrange colors to create visual harmony and movement. When placed on a wall, this harmony influences the atmosphere of the entire room. For viewers of an inspiring art channel, watching the development of abstract wall art can feel almost meditative. The slow spreading of paint, the blending of colors, and the creation of textures invite viewers into a calm and creative space. The camera may zoom in closely on the brush as it moves across the canvas, revealing the rich textures of paint. Sometimes the artist uses a palette knife to scrape and layer colors, creating depth and dimension. Other times the paint may drip naturally down the surface, forming spots. That freedom removes the fear of making mistakes. In fact, abstract artists often see mistakes as opportunities. A brushstroke that seems out of place might lead to a new direction for the painting. A color that appears too bright may inspire the addition of darker tones to create contrast. The painting evolves like a conversation between the artist and the canvas, where every mark becomes part of the creative dialogue. The narrator may explain that this process mirrors life itself. Just as unexpected events shape our experiences, unexpected moments in art can lead to beautiful outcomes. This perspective encourages viewers to embrace experimentation not only in art, but also in their own creative thinking. As the painting approaches completion, the composition begins to feel balanced. Colors interact harmoniously, shapes complement each other, and the entire artwork seems alive with energy. The camera slowly pulls back to reveal the full painting placed against a wall. Suddenly, the transformation becomes clear. What began as an empty surface has become a vibrant visual centerpiece. The wall now tells a story through color and form. The room feels different, more expressive, more creative, more alive. This is the true power of abstract wall art. It does not simply fill empty space. It transforms the emotional atmosphere of an environment. The narrator may reflect on how abstract wall art has become increasingly popular in modern interior design. In homes, offices, studios, and creative spaces, abstract paintings add personality and energy. Unlike traditional artwork that may depict specific scenes, abstract compositions adapt easily to different environments because they focus on mood and visual harmony. A colorful abstract painting can bring warmth to a minimalist It invites us to notice colors in everyday life, the bright reflections of sunlight on buildings, the vibrant hues of a sunset, the unexpected patterns created by shadows. These moments of beauty often inspire artists to create new abstract compositions. The closing message of the video is both simple and inspiring. Creativity does not belong only to professional artists or designers. It belongs to anyone willing to explore ideas and experiment with color and shape. Abstract wall art reminds us that even a blank wall can become a canvas for imagination. With a few colors, a little curiosity, and the courage to begin, anyone can transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary expressions of creativity. And perhaps that is the true magic behind abstract and colorful wall art. It turns emptiness into expression, silence into visual rhythm, and simple spaces into inspiring environments. When viewers finish watching the video, they may look around their own homes and notice their walls in a new way. Instead of seeing empty surfaces,